Hey y'all, this is Elias with Zone Offroad. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the 1-inch leveling kit for the new 2021 Ford Bronco. So here we can see our two-piece spacer set. The reason we went with the two-piece set is due to the fact that it makes it so easy. You don't have to disassemble your strut or any of that. So here we have the upper spacers, the lower spacers that attach to the control arms. It comes with your bolt pack, comes with the sticker, and it comes with your manual to make it so it's an easy step-by-step instructions. You can do it in your driveway. There are two main reasons that you would want to get this leveling package. The first is that it levels out the stance of your ride, making it look really cool. The second is that it makes it so you can have different options for wheel and tire packages if you want to go a little bit bigger. From Ford's really awesome offering with this platform in the Bronco, this package actually fits all trim lines to include the Sasquatch and non-Squatch packages. That's all for now, folks. If you want to stay up to date with us, follow us on social media, and if you want to find anything out more about this kit, check us out at zoneoffroad.com and go check out our merch section. Until next time.